Well, 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 what do we have here? Well, this box is huge. So I've been wanting to get into this for the longest time, and it's finally going to happen. We're going to get into diecast racing. I'm super stoked for this. So this set I bought for 90 bucks on Amazon. I have Prime shipping, so it was shipped relatively quick considering the whole COVID thing. It does come with 6 cars. Fitting that this is a 6-lane raceway, so this is pretty awesome. I'm really excited for this. I hope you guys enjoy the racing series that's going to come on the channel pretty soon. We're going to do some interesting stuff as well. We're going to do Matchbox, Hot Wheels, off-brand cars, monster trucks. There's going to be a good variety, but it's going to be mostly Hot Wheels based. But I'd like to get your guys' input. What's some of the things that you'd like to see? Specific series like JDM, European cars, or maybe by year. I don't know, drop some stuff in the comments and I'll definitely look at it and consider it incorporating it into the racing. Well, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Well, the cool thing about this is that it's foldable. You can fold it up and store it however you need to. It has lights and sounds. I'm not sure if batteries are included, but we'll figure that out. It tells you which lane is the winner, and it also lights up down here. The one thing that it doesn't have is the end. It ends really abruptly, so I did buy a track builder set that you guys seen on the channel already, and that's what I'm adding on to the end of this, just so the cars have a little bit of room at the very end of the raceway. And here are the 6 cars that come with it. Now, I don't know if it comes with different cars for each set, or it just comes with the same ones for every set. But these are the ones that I got. And don't mind the backdrop, this is all my wife's cricket stuff. Like I said, this is a large set. Let's take out the track itself. Cool. So it's not actually as big as I thought. I mean, it's pretty good size, but it's definitely manageable for kids. So here's the finish line. As soon as the cars flick it off, it's gonna tell you what number is the winner. Although it does not include the batteries. I believe it said 3 AA's and not included. That's fine. You're just gonna need a Phillips head. Unscrew that, put 3 batteries in there, and you're good to go. Your wheels are also included. And it comes with your instruction manual on how to put it together. So, I mean, it's really not that difficult besides snapping in this into place, snapping in your wheels, and that's it. So I'm going to get all of these removed, and then we'll start setting it up. Wheels are easy. They just snap into place. There you go. It doesn't matter which one goes on which side. Super simple. So the track comes folded up. All you have to do is release the snap on this side, and there's one exactly like this on the other side, and then this piece comes out, and then you fold it open, and there's your second part of your track. Pretty cool. The second part is the big part itself. So this big part has these tabs. You're just gonna go ahead and just pop these open like that, and then this one comes undone as well, and then releases the final part. You fold up your little starting gate here, your little flags, make sure it all works, which it does. On the other side, it's got a little stand here that you're going to use for support. So once that's done, you're going to pop this down. This support right here is going to actually clip on, and there's your first part of your track. That's the first slope, and here's your starting point. Your second part as well just pops open. I'm gonna flip it over. That's gonna clip onto the track right here, and this is your second tier. The next tier is this little small one. Again, this just folds out, it locks into place, and then it's gonna connect right here onto your track. And excuse the mess, but at this point, it should look something like that. The last thing you're gonna do is put your finish place and snap it on. It's gonna actually go onto the track by here. It's gonna have 2 little gray clips that clip in. This is your finish line. Like I said in my previous video, the finish line ends really quickly. That's why I bought the extended track to add on to here, because it just, you know, the cars are just going to fly off really quickly after the finish line. But pretty much after you put this piece on, we're ready for racing. And of course, before you clip it on, make sure to put in your 3 batteries. Very simple to do. And then just close it up with your Phillips head. And then after that, we'll give it a test shot real quick. Let's turn it on.
Hot Wheels Racers, hit your lane!
Speaker sounds pretty good on this, so let's see.
Winner, lane 4!
All Alright, looks like it's working. I guess we have to let it reset and then there it goes.
Winner! Lane 2! Hot Wheels Racers, pick your lane!
And here are our first 6 racers. The first 6 cars included in the pack. Our racers are ready. And let's go. On your marks, get set, go. So as you can see, all the cars jumbled up. I know lane 3 won, but do you remember what car was in lane 3? Let's look at the instant replay. Go! Alright, and as you saw, there is our champion for this race. This is going to be a lot of fun. I really got this mostly so I can play with my goddaughter. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels, probably like 400 or so I'm going to be doing an extended series on these with her, and I'm going to do some on my own and also do an invitational where I invite people to race their own Hot Wheels on this track. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. As always, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit notifications. If you ever have any comments, leave them down below. I try to answer back everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.